Discover a slice of paradise in the exclusive Cala La Manzanera, Calpe. This beachfront property offers unbeatable views of the sea, the picturesque town of Calpe, and the majestic Peñón de Ifach. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac, it guarantees maximum tranquility, free from the hustle and bustle of traffic. The bungalow features 3 double bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. 2 of the bedrooms have direct access to a private terrace with views of the sea and the Peñón de Ifach, providing a personal and exclusive space to enjoy. The natural beauty. The 3rd bedroom includes a practical storage area. All bedrooms are equipped with fitted wardrobes, ensuring ample space and organization. Enjoy a charming private garden where you can relax both day and night, surrounded by spectacular views. From the garden, steps lead directly down to the famous Cala La Manzanera, making the beach an extension of your home. The welcoming and comfortable living room is complemented by a charming kitchen. Furthermore, the property boasts a private patio garden, ideal for those peaceful moments outdoors. The residential complex also offers access to a communal swimming pool, providing you with another option to relax and enjoy Calpe's wonderful climate.